Saint Benedict II, the Pope, known for his humility and dedication to the poor, worked to shorten the delays in papal consecration by securing the emperor's approval for the Exarch of Ravenna to confirm future elections. He also upheld the rulings in the Third Council of Constantinople and made efforts to restore churches including St. Peter's Basilica. Welcome to the Pontiff, presented by CNews Live. Pope Benedict II, who ruled the Church for less than a year, was known for his humility, gentleness, and special love for the poor. Although the Roman clergy and Church leadership elected Benedict II as the 81st Pope of the Church in early July AD 683, he had to wait almost a year for the Emperor's approval of his election and his inauguration. At the same time, at the new Pope's request, the Emperor authorized the Exarch of Ravenna, his representative, to approve papal elections. This decision helped eliminate the lengthy delays between a Pope's election and inauguration. With the Emperor's approval secured, Benedict II was consecrated as the Bishop of Rome and the 81st leader of the Holy Catholic Church on June 26, AD 684. Pope Benedict II confirmed his support for the approval of the Third Council of Constantinople by his predecessor, Pope Leo II. He sent a delegation to Spain with the copies of the Council's acts and Pope Leo II's letters approving the Council's laws. However, the powerful Visigothic Church in Spain was unwilling to accept the acts and decisions of the Third Council of Constantinople until they were discussed and agreed upon at the 14th Council of Toledo in AD 684. The Metropolitan of Toledo learned that some parts of the Declaration of Faith sent to the Pope after the Council of Toledo had provoked his sharp criticism. He had sent another letter to Pope Benedict II, strongly criticizing him and expressing his opposition. The Pontiff attempted to dissuade Macarius I, who had been disposed from the Patriarchate of Antioch and had taken refuge in a monastery in Rome, refused to abandon his beliefs. Although Pope Benedict II encountered significant trials and opposition throughout his reign, he remained steadfast in his mission. He dedicated himself to the extensive restoration of numerous churches, including the renowned St. Peter's Basilica, while also striving to enhance the spiritual and social well-being of the parishioners under his care. Pope Benedict II attained eternal rest on May 8, AD 685. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Join us next time to learn about the next Pontiff. Until then, this is Agnel Rose Thomas signing off for CNews Live.